Hi guys, it's me Valentina, and today I want to show you the perfect site where you can do bets on sport and something more, and I'm gonna tell you about it a little bit later. So, PinUp site, here we have. You already know. But okay. So, here we have. So, if you put here, press here, you're gonna see that here we have a lot of sports that we can play with. We can put bets here. So if you're playing with volleyball, they have it. Just using a country like Philippines, and you're gonna see what they have. Here we can choose tennis if you're liking to put your bets on tennis, football, everything that you need, they have it. So even darts. I know, if you're doing bets on darts, please write in comments. I want to see this person. I think it's very unusual, so yeah, I think it's cool. So here we can see what happened, what's going on here. Also you can see numbers here. So here we can press here, test your luck, and play a game. So let's see what they can give us. Boom! And here we are on casino. So a second ago we were in sport bets, and now we can play casino, and this is one side. So you understand what I'm talking about, right? So we did a bet on sport. We need to wait. And why do we need to wait? We just can play casino and win more while we're waiting our bet on sport. So here you can see a lot of different games. Let's just see this game in demo version. Oh my god, I don't know why, but for me this game the cutest one, and every time when I'm playing this game I'm winning. If you're playing this game, write in comments. I really like to 1 hour a day to play this game, and it's so cute. Look at this. You have dogs here. Let's turn off the sound because you want to hear me, not music. So here it's very cool to play because here we have cute dogs, cute houses of dogs. And when I'm playing not on demo version, I'm getting bonus this I know what is this bonus. I'm getting like a lot, and that's why I'm winning when I'm playing. But on demo version, I don't know why it works not like that, so it's better to play not on demo version. So yeah, it's very cool that we can use only one side, and it works pretty good. And you can play here very random games like live dealers, crash games, Wii Sport, esports, everything that you need. Let's see live dealers, because for me it's also favorite games, because it's very crazy when you're understanding that you're sitting at home playing in your computer, but with you here in your computer playing real person in real life, and you feeling like you're something on casino sitting with her playing, and it's very cool. I know, crazy. So yeah, every time I go on this side, I'm playing here on this casino. Oh, I know this guy. I played with him. It's very cool. Yeah. Usually when I'm playing with him, I'm winning in blackjack. I don't know why. He plays very good with me. And yeah, so that's why I really like this side. Also, look at this design. These pictures are very cool. I don't know, drawings or how it goes. Looks pretty good. So if we need roll it when we're playing, we just can press here. We don't need to search nothing. We have it here. And also new games are coming every week, and you're not gonna have that like this game I already played, this one too, oh it's not interesting. No, every week they have new games, and it's very cool because you can play new, different, and why not. So yeah, also you can press here on these buttons. It's pretty easy to search what you need. So let's come back and let's see this button, because for me it's very helpful. So when I got to Telegram of this site, they telling there that they have new bonus game, something new in sport bets, new games and other stuff. It's very helpful because you don't need to go to the computer and see what's new. Just go on Telegram and they are gonna tell you what they have new, and do you need to go there and play or not. So yeah, also here we can find online chat. It's support, and I want to tell about support that it's working pretty good. If you're having a problem, I already tested, because for me it's very important, because if I'm gonna have a problem like in 3 a.m. I need answer right now, not like from 5 or 1 week later. I need it now, and that's why I wanted to test it. So they working pretty good. It was night and I had a problem, and I tried to write him, and you know what, in a second they answered me and helped me. It's very cool because when you have a problem you want to do it faster, not like in a month later, or you know. So yeah, about cash, about money, about your wins. When you're winning and you first need to get it to your card, it's no problem with this side, because when you need a fast money you can just play fast game here, win, and like in this day when you press the button money goes to my card, you just wait 5-10 minutes and your money already on your card. And it's very cool because when you really need money and you don't have it, you just can get it from here, and it's already gonna be on your card in 1 day. So it's very cool. Yeah, so what else I can tell you about this site? Here we have very cool bonuses and tournaments, and always a changes something new coming, so you can just choose what you need. Let's see here, information. You just press in here take part, and here you're gonna see more information about this bonus game rules, how it's working. So everything that you need for you to know, you just can here press on this picture and come read here. So yeah, if you wanna download the telephone version, you just can press here if you have an Android, and here if you have an iOS. So it's very cool too, because sometimes you can do it faster, just do bed and go work or do something else. So that's why it's easier to do from a telephone. Just do bed and go do what you want. So yeah, it's very cool that they have it on site. You don't need to search, you just press here and go and download it. So yeah, here we can see now winning. It means right now people playing in these games, and you can see how much they won, and it's very cool because you have I don't know, like you can see that it's true that people winning, and of course you can do this too. So for me it's like very cool to see that people winning how much where, and sometimes I see like here he won $4. I'm pressing on this gameplay and winning too. Oh my god, look at this, $23. Oh my god. Demo version, I can play there because I don't know why, but I'll try it later. So yeah, also here Telegram you can find here and here. So you can see the partners here is very good. They all gives this side cool games and everything. I don't know what partners gives, but look at them, they all popular and we all know what is this. And also about money, you can put it from Bitcoin, Visa, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and different. And it's very cool that they have Apple Pay. It's very helpful, it's very easy to put your money there and very fast. So yeah, also about support, you can write online chat or even you can call. Also very cool idea because every time inside they have on the chat, but here they also have a number and it's very cool. So that's why this site is very cool. No, really, I knew about this site like only 3 months I think, and for me it's the best one now because everything that I need I just have on one side. I don't need to open 3 or more sites to play. On one side you're playing bet sports, on one side you're playing casino, and third side you're chatting with your friend. No, everything here, and for me it's like very cool. So yeah guys, it was Valentina and I see you in next video. Write me in comments, do you like this side or not? I hope you do because it's the best side. And bye bye.